Summers are here. It's a high time to feed the birds. So today, by these 4 and 5 years olds, we will learn how to make bird feeder from disposable and waste material. So let's make best out of waste.
Eat the grain, feed the grain. Hello friends, my name is Mana Fatima. My name is Abduladi. Today we will make bird feeder. For that we need big bowl, small bowl, marker, sticks, candle, matchbox, lot of colors.
In both the bowls, we will mark 4 points opposite to each other.
We will light candle with the help of parents.
We will warm up any metal knife or stick and make small holes at the marked point just to fit the wooden sticks.
Holes are done. Now we will color them.
By the end of this video, you will see how these kids have converted the trash material into treasure for the birds. The work of these little kids is truly appreciable. It's a great summer activity for kids which will surely enhance the fine and gross motor skills, imagination, sympathy and empathy for the others.
Dry. Sometime. For some time.
Now we will put the wooden stick inside the hole and align in such a way that the small bowl will be fixed inside the big bowl.
Our bird feeder is ready. Yay, bird feeder! Yay, bird feeder!
Now we will put the grains and water in separate bowls and our bird feeder is ready and the birds are happy.
Come. Eat the grain, feed the grain.